that good stuff. Let's check it out. This is really cool. It looks like we're in a subway station in San Francisco. Check out all the props, all the set design. It can take weeks and weeks to build up a huge, elaborate set like this just to get one scene in the movie. So I don't really know too much about the movie that they've been making in here though. I do know it's an action film, probably with some big names attached to it. They're usually pretty tight-lipped about those things. They don't even reveal the titles. Whoa. Okay, sorry about that, you all. Just a small tremor happens all the time here in California, right? Whoa. I lied. This isn't a real movie set. You just survived Earthquake, the big one. Earthquake originally opened up to the studio tour in 1989. Everything in it was shut down last year and renovated just in time for our 60th anniversary of the studio tour this past summer. But that was